Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the new Google Gemini update, and trust me, it is absolutely insane. Google has just changed now how Gemini works, and it's way smarter, faster, and more powerful than before. So this update brings a massive jump in how Gemini understands and create the content. It is now multimodal, meaning that it can handle the texts, images, code, and even the video all in one place. You can upload a picture or a chart, you can ask a question about it, and Gemini will break it down instantly for you. Now, Google has also improved its memory and context. Gemini can now remember the previous chats, follow your workflows, and give the continuous results like a real assistant. The biggest highlight here is Gemini's advanced just got faster and more accurate, especially in the writing and research and even reasoning tasks. It also connects better with the tools like Docs, Sheets, and Gmail, so you can generate the full reports or the emails directly from your prompts. The early users are calling it the most human like version of Gemini yet. Natural tone, fewer errors, and smoother conversation flow. So, yeah, the new Gemini update is insane. It is smarter, it is faster, and finally feels like a complete AI assistant for your daily work. So let me know that in the comment section below. What are your opinion on this version? If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.